Hi friends, we have some new pre-made stylings for you to check out and try. These pre-made stylings, they all have their own color combination, font combination, and some of them also come with a pattern. You can access these pre-made stylings under template. So up here, template, starter, and then you will find them here under styling. So once you click on styling, they will all show up right here. And then if you want to apply them to your planner, you want to click on the style button right here. So let me give you a better example. Here I have a simple to-do list. You can also find this to-do list on our explore page when you type in to do. Then what you can do is you can go to template, starter, go to stylings, and then here if you want to apply this styling, this pink one, to the template, you want to click on style. So let me show you. If you now click on style, it will take over the styling from the right side. So here too, here is a blue one, lavender one. So feel free to play around with these stylings. Once you have applied a styling and you like it, but you want to make further changes to it, what you can do is you can also further customize it, such as, let's say, if you want to apply your favorite font for the header up here, you can do that, such as changing fonts. Let me demonstrate to you. Changing fonts. Maybe you also want to add an additional pattern. So let me add a pattern here. And then once you like this styling and you want to save it to your personal styles, you can then go to Save Export. And here is a menu called Save Style. The Save Styling will save whatever style you have applied in the current planner here, which is the H1 header, H2 font, patterns, colors, overall styling. So you can give it a name such as favorite style. And then you want to click on Save Style right here. And it should save you the styling here to the My Saved Style folder or section. So in here are all the stylings you have saved in the past, and you see that I have saved a ton of different kinds of stylings in the past, and then you can simply click on them to reapply them to the template. So here I have a pink styling I have saved in the past and a few other stylings. Now I'll quickly show you how you can apply pre-made stylings to digital planners. So here, for example, I have one open with over 400 pages. This digital planner has daily pages, weekly pages, and monthly pages. Let's maybe customize this daily page right here. All you want to do is then again go to Template, Starter, Styling, and then apply your favorite styling. I will apply this pink one right here. So clicking on Style. And then now if you want to apply this styling here to all the other pages, such as this page, and so on, what you can do is you can go here to apply this page to, and then you can select the pages you want to apply this styling to. I will select just 5 pages, 6 pages in total to demonstrate to you. And then you want to click on Skeleton and Style, like this. And it will run through the selected pages and will change the styling for you. So let's see here. Page 24 has been changed and so on. Page 26 has not been changed yet. If you want to apply further changes, such as here, if you want to correct this one right here, let's say you want to make the spacing less wide. Let me make the gaps here smaller like this. And you want to add an additional change, such as you want to correct this one right here to just say top 3 priorities. Let's say you want to add an additional change, such as maybe adjusting the colors here to be a tiny bit lighter like this. Or maybe you want to be it much more darker like this. You can do that. And once you're happy with all the changes, you can then again go here, apply this page to. I have already selected the pages, and then again click on Skeleton and Style. You run through the pages and you will apply the styling. So you would do that with all the daily pages, and then you would also go to your weekly pages, do the same thing, go to Starter, Stylings, and then here click on Style. And then you would select all your weekly pages. So let me select these ones here. Click on the skeleton and style. And it will now run through each page and change it for you. So now we have a few weekly pages changed. We have some daily pages changed, and then you can also repeat this step with the monthly pages and so on. So you want to work through the planner and change them in sections. So this is how you would do it with digital planners. Then I just recommend you to overall just play around with the stylings, especially when you're starting out and creating a new planner. If you're playing around, maybe it sometimes is helpful before you move on with the planner to pre-select a styling, so it's more inspirational and you can get more ideas instead of working with the default template. So just applying like a template, a styling before you move on, such as maybe something like this or this might be more fun, and it could also help you to get some more ideas on how you want your planner to look like. One last thing to mention is please don't click on skeleton, because once you click on skeleton it will take over all the widgets which are in here. So I can show you, if you now click on skeleton, you will see it will take all the widgets over it. But what you can do is, let's say you really like this styling here, but you want to apply a new starter template. You can go starter, let's say you want to apply a weekly template, a pre-made one. And then here you do want to click on skeleton, because here you just want to take over all the widgets. So if you now click here on skeleton, not style, but skeleton, it will now take over all the widgets for you like this. So I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to always message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!